this event and accepting the invitation of Bacolod City to be part of the Masskara Festival. This is a very clear indication that Bacolod City and the province of Negros Occidental are now collaborating with each other for the betterment of all the migrants in Bacolod province. So it's a clear example of what we can be and what we can do in the future if we do it together. As they say, we are now united in celebrating this event, and hopefully in the years to come, we will now show an example of unity so that we will become a better place to be. Better Bacolod, Tani. Of course, it's already not just Bacolod, but the whole province. So thank you, and we are very happy that you are now part of this festival. And in fact, our SP committee chair, Councilor Jason Villarosa, has proposed to create an ordinance inviting the province in the Masskara Festival for every year thereafter. So this is an indication that we are now as one, because Panaad is at the heart of Bacolod City. It is but proper that Panaad is part of our celebration. So with this, as you can see, as the attendance that I see tonight, we have made the right decision to include and to invite the Negros province in this event. So thank you, Gov, sa tanan nga mga mayors nga rin, sa tanan nga nag-participate. Madamo gid nga salamat. Balik ihong kita, abanse, negrense.